Hi, I'm Jan Steenblick, President of Network Consulting Services.
I'd like to take just a brief moment to introduce you to NCSI. We're a security and operations service provider with more than 25 years of industry experience. Our focus is helping you to continually extract value from your technology purchase. Your initial technology purchase isn't the end of your journey here, it's just the beginning. Since we focus on technology, it stands to reason that the majority of our employees are engineers. We have pre-sales, design, and business consulting engineers that will work with your teams to identify the specific business outcomes you are looking for in your technology purchases. They will meet with your executive staff to help define what a successful engagement looks like. Then they will design and scope an implementation project with your business outcomes in mind. At this point, it will be turned over to our world-class deployment engineers and project management teams who are located across the United States. I invite you to reach out to your Network Consulting Services representative to find out how our team can help you extract the maximum value from your technology investment. The longest journey begins with a first step. That first step in the right direction can accelerate your path to success. Whether your journey is short or long, NCSI is with you every step of the way. We have invested tens of thousands of dollars to create this state-of-the-art video production studio. We call it Studio 3B. Through the use of this technology, we can meet with your teams virtually to present the technology and design solutions that best meet your business objectives. Our virtual lab, called Virtrillo, is a fully operational demo environment with all of the core technologies we provide. We can simulate your company's network environment to show different aspects of the user experience. We have a conversation corner where we can discuss in detail what our common goals and challenges are. Here we begin the journey by talking through the important business objectives. We have a whiteboard planning area where we can begin the design and scoping process. Your ideas combine with our expertise to tightly define your business objectives. Next, we have our news desk. Here we can quickly demonstrate the C-level experience, the director admin level experience, and the analyst experience. A tight control of hard and soft assets is key to a secure operational environment. In our studio, we can show the complete life cycle of assets, from requesting assets to purchasing assets, shipping and receiving, and then final delivery to the end user. One of the more important aspects of the technology platform is the end user experience. All of these presentations are combined in our state-of-the-art video production studio so that you and your team can have an immersive experience. You can see the technology in action and become comfortable that it meets your business objectives.
So you've probably gone through this journey with technology before where you see something great in the pre-sales stage. The vendor comes in and shows you what the technology can do and how it can help address your business needs. Then you go and actually do the implementation and you feel that there's a gap between what you talked about during the sales process and what you ultimately end up having in your environment. Our goal is to bridge that gap. We want to bring that together so that you can more realize the gains that that tool is supposed to bring to the table. So there's a lot going on there. We need to sit down with your organization and understand what those business drivers are. We need to understand why did we purchase the tool? What do we need to implement? And then we can create a plan to help deploy that, to be able to move it into production, and then iterate upon that and improve it over time. We've got lots of different ways that we can do this that meet whatever the customer's needs are. We can start with a fixed statement of work. We have these packages that are pretty standardized. We've done a lot of these, so we know what time and effort it takes to get into it. And they're very easy because we can, since they're a fixed statement of work, we can, you just use that as a standard and roll it out very, very quickly. We also have the ability to create a custom statement of work. Some customers say, the more rigid fixed statements of work don't necessarily meet their needs. They want to add additional customizations, or maybe they want to integrate an API or something like that. So creating a custom statement of work is one of our specialties to really understand what those drivers are and shoot for them and have the tool be customized for those business drivers. Once we have that implemented, we go through our deployment process. We go to move to production and things like a go live. We support you through that entire process. But after the implementation is finished, we don't want to leave it there. We've got lots of options to be able to support you long term. We want to meet with you regularly and talk about that phase progression. Okay, we've got it implemented. Let's talk about that continuous improvement. What are we going to do next? What module are we going to add on and improve as part of the overall tool? And then we also have our managed services system where a lot of people don't want to necessarily be in the tool management business. So we've got some great options out there. Things like a prepaid services contract that is just a bucket of time that you can consume for whatever you want, or a contract for managed services that lets you consume a fixed amount of time per month. You know, perhaps 10 hours a month is something that you would want to have just at your disposal to do whatever refining you want. All the way up until things even like staff augmentation. You know, again, if you don't want to manage the tool, you want to just get the value extracted out of the tool, you can be out of the management business and we can take everything on the back end. And you just call us when you need to have something in the tool changed. So lots of different options that you have at your disposal there in our deployment services, as well as our managed services, as well as we have the largest implementation team in the country for these technologies and have great experience. So we're very excited to help you bridge that gap between what you've purchased and what you want to see getting out of the tool.
Over the last few years, Ivanti leadership has spent countless hours scouring the marketplace to find complementary technologies to their core platform. Put those together with the core technologies of endpoint management and ITIL technologies that existed in Ivanti's portfolio previously, Ivanti now has a world-class platform for providing asset management, service management, and endpoint management. As it is with most technology platforms, the purchase of the technology is only the beginning of the journey. You need a partner that is well-versed in all aspects of the platform in order to help you meet your business objectives and extract the maximum value for your investment. NCSI is that partner. We have over 20 years of experience with businesses just like yours, helping you find the technology that you need to match to your business objectives, deploy that technology, and most importantly, stay with you year after year to help extract the maximum value out of your investment. We look forward to working with you. I invite you to reach out to us. Whether you're looking to invest in Ivanti technology or have already made the investment and wish to enhance your experience, NCSI is your technology partner. NCSI and Ivanti, we're better together.